You ready? So this is what they end up looking like. Pumpkin pancakes we're gonna be making pumpkin muffins out of the Trader Joe's mix, and I pulled up a recipe online. This is the recipe that I'm gonna be going over, and Mirabella will be helping me out. So first you will be putting yeah, she's excited about making this. So you'll put 2 cups of the pumpkin pancake mix into the bowl. So you're putting your dry ingredients first. Yeah. Okay, so that's 2 of these. And then it's gonna be 3/4 cup of milk. I am using the almond milk, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pour that in. And next, we're gonna be using 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using coconut oil, and then after that, we'll be adding in the egg. So, the oil, and I'm gonna measure it properly. Okay, I already washed my hands before starting, and wow, that looks like a lot. I guess I'm not used to doing this type of thing. Tons of oil. Not yet. Oh, you think I should oil those? Probably. And also, another thing is that I'm going to be using these reusable pebbles. I think they're silicone baking molds from World Market. My sister Anna got me these like some other year for like Christmas or something. So I'm just going to put some oil on them. I don't remember if you have to or not, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then I have the baking sheet here that I'll be putting those into. And I can go ahead and put those in there. And so, yeah, after I put in the egg, I'm gonna be putting in sugar, and it says 1/4 cup. Is it? Or 1/4 cup sugar, but I don't use sugar usually unless I have to, so I'm thinking I'm going to use stevia in place. So I'm going to stop recording it for a moment. Okay, so Mirabella is going to start mixing it, and we'll see how this goes. If she does well, then we'll just keep having her mix it. Here, go. You ready to mix it? Or you think it just smells really good? Smells good? Don't put your hand in. We're going to be making muffins. I know. You're excited. So you got to mix it all together. You're funny. And yeah, I'm going to be putting that egg in there. Oh, I didn't forget. It's just I know the coconut oil, it gets kind of hard, and like temperatures that are under 80 degrees. Over 80 degrees is supposed to be kind of liquidy. So this is what I like to put in food and drinks, stevia. I'm going to put how much I'd put for like 3 cups of coffee if I were putting it for 3 cups of coffee. It'll make it sweet enough, I think. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to be adding some cinnamon. Do you want to add the cinnamon? Okay, so you turn it upside down, yeah? There you go, you added some. So she added some, and I have the stevia in there. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it together. You want to mix it? Okay, go ahead and mix it. You want to mix it? There you mix that in. You're gonna mix it, stir it. Oh no, not eating it yet. Here, okay, I'll take care of that. We gotta get this get this going. Look at Susie. I want to try what's going on. And then we're gonna also add some pecans, and I think we'll just push them into these little cups after we fill it. Yeah. I don't think we should add more stevia or cinnamon at this point. So that's all. Okay, so that stevia seems like it's enough, and we're just gonna start filling these silicone baking cups. If you don't have these, you don't have to only use these. You can use just grease like a muffin pan and put it in there. Grease it with either oil or butter. Either one of those would work. So yeah, you'll just add this in. Add this in each one. Try to put it about the same amount, because for baking purposes you want it around the same amount, because then when one is done, the rest should be pretty much done. As far as the time, it didn't say how long to bake it for on there, so I'm gonna just check them after a certain amount of time, and then I'll update it on the vlog or the video. How long? Yeah. Hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, you want to put it? Okay, here. Okay, put it in there. Yeah. Here, you want me to do it? No? Okay, maybe a bit more than that. Yeah. I don't want to get it on your shirt. Okay. Oven now. Okay. So, put this in the oven for 350. I'm not sure how long. I'm gonna find out. I'll let you know. You ready? So this is what they end up looking like. And Mirabella was just putting some pecans on with me. And so yeah, I put some banana with it, and so I baked them for about 14, I'd say bake them somewhere between 14 to 18 minutes. I baked them for 14 minutes, and then I turned off the oven timer and I walked away with them in the oven to go breastfeed my child. So yeah, so they were still being heated. We have it all ready. And then Mirabella wants to have some. So go ahead and try. Yeah. I don't know if I'll eat it with the cottage cheese after all, but it tastes really good. You want it with the cottage cheese? Yeah? It's really good. Is it good? Yeah, it's good.